Hello everyone, this is Shyam Kumar and this is my team. This is our project Tomato Sorter. Let me introduce my team. Srinath, Aditya, Divya and Sadhya. So this is our project. For the course Engineering Exploration and Practice. What it does is it separates the tomatoes based on defective and non-defective ones, the good ones and non-repel ones. So what we use are mainly Arduino, IR sensor, two servo motors and a color sensor. So the main criteria to differentiate tomatoes here are only colors values. So as we attach, we fixed Arduino here and the cables are hidden in it. And so when the tomatoes are loaded in the tray, the blockage gate which is connected to the servo motor 1 will stop the tomato. After ensuring the path is clear, then the blockage 1 gate will open. So when the tomato moves through the passage, it will stop here. So the color values are recorded here. The color sensor is here. So the color values will be sent to the Arduino. Then the Arduino will detect, differentiate between both tomatoes, whether it is defective or non-defective one, whether it is ripen or non-ripen one. So according to that, the blockage gate 2 will rotate. If the good tomato comes here, then it will rotate 90 degrees. If the bad ones, it will rotate 180 degrees. So
is our WP project, and this project title is Tomato Sorter, and we use components in this are IR sensor, color sensor and two servo motors and one Arduino. It works when the tomato kept in this path, then the servo motor 1 will be working by opening its gates. After allowing the tomato, then IR sensor will detect the presence of the tomato and color sensor detect the color. Then the servo motor 2 works as in two directions, like one is in 90 degrees and one is in 180 degrees. By separating the degrees, then the tomato will be sorted according to its color.
And my team number is 9. This is our WP project. Our project title is Tomato Sorter. Our components required in our project is one IR sensor, one color sensor and two servo motors and one Arduino. The purpose of our project is to differentiate good tomatoes and bad tomatoes. When we put a tomato here, the gate opens and it passes from here, and then color sensor detects and sends to the Arduino. After the Arduino, it sends to IR sensor, and IR sensor by keeping our color ranges, it comes 90 degrees. Good tomatoes turns into 90 degrees and bad tomatoes turns into 180 degrees.
Start.
Hello guys, my name is Aditya. Our team number is. Hello guys, this is team 9. My name is Aditya. Our project of the title is Tomato Sorting. In this, there are different types of tomatoes and this good one and bad one. And here we are using the components of IR sensor, color sensor and two servo motors and one Arduino. And here is the supply of the Arduino. When we put the tomato in the tray, the servo motor will get open and here will it come, and here the IR sensor will detect there is tomato is there or not, and then color sensor will detect these color ranges and it will rotate to 90 degrees. It is good one, and it is bad one means it will rotate to 180 degrees, and this is our project.
अरे नीचे निकाल दिया करा